Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will be discussing about few simple problems with Python. So for any program that is there will be input, process and output. So an input will involve getting some kind of input from the user. We process the input and we print the output. So for example, if I want to find out the area and the perimeter of a rectangle, I ask the user for the length and the breadth of the rectangle. I convert it into integer as I accept. I calculate the area as length into breadth, and the perimeter will be 2 into length plus breadth. And I finally print the output as area and the perimeter. So this is the code, and here is the sample output. Another example, consider if I want to calculate the area of a triangle. I ask the user to enter the base and the height, convert it into integer, then I calculate the area, zero point 0.5 into base into height, and then I print the area gets printed. To calculate average marks of three subjects, we ask the user for English, maths and science marks. We add up the total to find out the average. In the brackets, we give divided by 3. Print the total marks, comma, the variable name. Here also the same thing. To calculate the discounted amount with discount percentage. So we ask the user for some amount and discount percentage. So there is amount 5,000, the discount percentage is 10%. So 10% of 5,000 will be 500. 5,000 minus 500, the discounted amount will be 4,500. So initially the user enters the amount and the percentage. I calculate the discount by using the discount percentage by 100 into the amount. The final amount will be the amount entered minus the discount. I display the same. The next is to find out the surface area and volume of a cuboid. I ask the user for length, breadth and height. To calculate the surface area, the formula is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. And for the volume, it is length into breadth into height. Print the same.